If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If a customer overpays an invoice, QuickBooks Online will generate a customer credit when the payment is entered into the Receive Payments window. To enter an overpayment, enter the payment the same way as you would enter a full payment on an invoice. Simply select the customer and enter the payment date, method, deposit account, and amount. QuickBooks Online applies the total amount received to fully pay the oldest customer invoices until the total amount received has been dispersed. The amount attributed to each invoice appears in the payment column for each invoice. When entering an overpayment, note the amount to credit field in the lower right corner of the window under the list of outstanding transactions. This field shows the amount of the overpayment. For example, entering a $150 payment for a customer that has $100 of open invoices shows an amount to credit of $50. When you save the payment using the Print, Save and Send, Save and Close, or Save and New button in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen, it will generate a customer credit for the selected customer in the amount of the overpayment. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.